Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about the AI commerce. We are going to share details about ConConAI, and here is also the pre-sale is now live. We are going to discuss, and here is the first phase. So you can also enjoy, even you can be a member in their initial stage using multiple currency like USDT. There is USDT and Ethereum. So we are going to getting the experience of artificial intelligence in this ecosystem too, because they are going to solve the problem. What is the economics? There is also the problems about the household consumption, and now they are also going to making it on next level with such way that we understand. So first we have to understand that how the world is making changes conjunctive way. And now we have to rewritten our decision making, and we have to scroll our ideas again. So stop searching, start deciding, because if you will not decide, someone will also decide about what you have to do, where you have to travel, what the movie you are going to watch, everything. Now it's time that we have to think how our life goes on. And this is the whole story. In just a few minutes, you can understand how the AI is going to help the people. Emotion. Here are complete information that you can easily check out in their official YouTube channel. AI commerce is here. Who knew? I recall. Who knew the neighborhood? Who knew? Who is your sincere person? So now I am also going to show you about ConConAI. What was the problem? There was items in every supermarket. There's hundreds of millions product in a single online marketplace. So conversion rate is also here. Now there is a shift. People justing now it, thinking about the searching anymore. They are also asking question about it. They are also going to compare it with AI, trust it more. Every quarter is being advanced, getting more engagement. This is the trusted medium is unclamped. So now research is 73% open to AI completing, and people will also use the source brain. So using AI and ConConAI commerce, we are going to change the world thoughts. So this is also about that big dream with big category. That we are also going to share that idea. So idea that will also make you financial freedom. So next you can also check out about here are decision layer over $6 trillion. There is economy. And 5 trillion industrialized with play AI guide commerce. By 2030, there are also the recommendations too. And next, have some question answer. You can be one of the member who will understand it. Now, I am going to show you in their first phase of ICU how we are going to connect our wallet. For that, we are going to connect wallet, and we can choose the wallet you have already installed. You can open the extension and give here the password as 6 to 8 digit. Here I'm going to writing, and next you can easily check out that our wallet is going to connect. And you can choose USDC, USD, or any other currency. And here you can also put the number of amount that will be calculated to number of token CON. And you can also check approving, and then you can understand even there is also solid proof by audit report. You can also check out all the data about QYC and many other data that you should need to know about their security project. And further, you can also check out how they climbing tree. There are many other data about their roadmap, how they are going to making such progress. There is no promise, just educational purpose content, but you can also do your proper research, understand step by step, so these model will also help you. How 6 stages of ICO is going to help you. You can easily understand there starting from 0.005 to 0.01 when DX listing will be start. There are different progress. And this is scarcity. Even there is also 100 million coin token. you are going to get in one place, and this is the time that you are going to decide. And Advisor are now live. There is a listing platform is live, and Coin Presale is also going on. I have already shown you. Further, you can also follow them on their official Twitter, where a team is available to help you in any regard. You can ask questions, you can chat with them. There is also official Telegram group. See you next week. Till then, enjoy your AI commerce platform.